This is my e-learning platform built by Django. First, let me stop my server and show you how to install the app using the requirements.txt. This and we need to enter test Django folder and run this command line to install. Okay, now we're good to go. And for models, you can see I have these entities in my models, and the most important two are user and course. For user, I extended Django's abstract user to include custom fields such as is student, is teacher, and photo. Is student and is teacher indicate whether the user is a student or a teacher, and the photo allows user to upload a profile picture. And I have unread notifications, show name message. And for course, it represents the course available and the platform. It includes fields for course details such as title, description, teacher, students, created at, deadline, and cover. And it also establishes relationship with the user model, like here, teacher field in the course represents a one-to-many relationship between user and course. Means a teacher can teach many courses. And the students field represents a many-to-many relationship between a course can have many students and a student can enroll in many courses. Yeah, and I have notification of students and other messages. In this class, I will not go in detail. Yeah, the course material represents the materials associated with a course. A status update allows user to post updates similar to a social media status. Chat message manages direct messages between users. Notification tracks notifications sent to users such as course updates or messages. And last, comment allows user to leave comments on courses. And all the entities comply with the normalization. Let's take user and course for example. Maybe it's better to see the data, to see the table in my database. This is course and the user table. I already put some mock data here. They comply with the first normal form because all attributes contain atomic values, and they also comply with the second normal form because all low-key attributes fully depend on the primary key, and the third normal form is satisfied because there are no transitive dependencies. Each attribute is directly related to the primary key. Okay, next, let's run the test. First, we need to enter eLearning folder, and we use this command line. You can see I just run 14 tests successfully, and then let's launch the app. Okay, actually I put all common use command line in the readme file. You can read it. So let's first log out. You can see we can choose login or sign up. Let me show you how to create a new user. I click sign up. Yeah, let's put username, email address. First name, let's put some randomly characters. Password. For password, I need to explain. You see in my code here, I will use the Django password validation for password checks, but I've turned off most of the password checks and left only the requirements for a minimum password length of 4 characters. This makes it easier for me to test things out. Once we are ready to go live, I will re-enable the other validators to ensure stronger password security. Yeah, so here we just need to put 4 characters for password. And the role, we can choose student or teacher. Let me choose student, and we select that file. and then we create account. You see, I create a new user. Actually, here you see I already write a script to populate some mock data in my database. This is a student account and these two are teacher's account. And next I will log in to a student account and teacher account to show you all the functionalities. This will be more clear. Yeah, so let me log in student 1, login. This is student page. To easily compare the difference between the student role and the teacher's role, let me log into another teacher's account. Login. So this is teacher's account. To compare these two roles, we can see they all have home page, courses, students, and for teachers we have one more navigation, teachers. Okay, let's see home page first. The home page just lists all the status updates for these users, and all the users can post the status. I can post some status here, and yeah, and for my courses, if this is a student, just means all the courses this student enrolled, and the notification list all the unread and read notifications. For student, when a teacher remove him from a course or add him from a course, or when a teacher add new materials for a course, he will receive notifications. For teacher role, we also have my course and the notifications. My course just lists all the courses this teacher teaches, and the notifications, when a student enroll his course or a student write a comments in his course, he will receive notifications. Then courses page, this just lists all the available courses on our platform. And for student role, you can see the status show which courses these students have enrolled. And we can also enroll other courses like this course. We haven't enrolled yet. And we can click this button, enroll in course. And now we enrolled in this course, and we can leave a comment. Okay. And we can also unenroll some course by click unenroll button. Now we unenroll this course. And for teacher's role, in the course page, we can add a new course. Yeah, and the teacher can select the student directly here to enroll to his course, and select the deadline and choose cover and choose file. He can choose multiple files at once and create course. Yeah, we create a new course, and yeah, this is the course detail page. He can also edit his course. He can edit the student, and he can delete materials, and he can also add new materials. Okay, update course. So here we update the course, and in this page the teacher can also remove student from this course. Yeah, we remove the student, and the student will receive notification. Okay, and by click my courses button, it will just list all the courses this teacher teaches. And the students page are the same for both roles. It just list the students on our platform. I display the student photo, user ID, username, email, first name, and last name. You can search the student by name or username, like I search student 2. Yeah, it shows student 2. And for teachers, it shows all the teachers, and we can also search teacher's name by name or username. Okay, and last I will show the chat function. By click chat button, you can see all the history messages. because I already store all the messages in my database. So all users who logs in can view recent messages in the chat room, and we can send some messages. Yeah, and the student can see the messages. Let's see, this is the messages the teacher just sent, and the student can also send messages. Okay, that's it. Thanks for listening.